Hi guys, how to fix Steam games not downloading. Now, launch the Steam application on your computer and click the Steam menu in the top left corner. This is where all the important fixes begin. Select Settings from the drop-down. Go to the Downloads tab and make sure your download region is set to a server close to your actual location. Here is a secret. Picking the wrong server is the #1 reason for slow downloads. Switch to the Storage tab on the left, click the 3 dots next to your drive, and select Repair Library. This tiny button fixes most file system issues, and almost nobody knows about it. Go back to the Download section. Scroll down to find Clear Download Cache. Click it and confirm. Keep watching because Steam will restart and ask you to log in again. But don't worry, your games are safe. Search for Windows Defender Firewall in your Start menu. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and make sure Steam is checked for both private and public networks. Skipping this step blocks Steam from connecting to the internet. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, type ipconfig on flush DNS, and hit Enter. This clears your network cache in seconds and fixes most connection issues. Hit subscribe for more PC gaming fixes and drop a comment if this worked for you.